English conversation practice. Is the sky blue? Yes, the sky is blue. Am I a student? Yes, you are a student. Are you my friend? Yes, I am your friend. Is she playing outside? Yes, she is playing outside. Are we going to the park? Yes, we are going to the park. Am I tall? Yes, you are tall. Is the cat sleeping? Yes, the cat is sleeping. Are they coming over? Yes, they are coming over. Is this your toy? Yes, this is my toy. Am I hungry? Yes, you are hungry. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Is he your brother? Yes, he is my brother. Are we in the same class? Yes, we are in the same class. Am I wearing a hat? Yes, you are wearing a hat. Is it raining outside? Yes, it is raining outside. Are they good at soccer? Yes, they are good at soccer. Is this book interesting? Yes, this book is interesting. Are you feeling tired? Yes, I am feeling tired. Am I allowed to go? Yes, you are allowed to go. Is that your favorite color? Yes, that is my favorite color. Are we having pizza for dinner? Yes, we are having pizza for dinner. Is the dog barking? Yes, the dog is barking. Am I going to school tomorrow? Yes, you are going to school tomorrow. Are you going to the party? Yes, I am going to the party. Is this the right way? Yes, this is the right way. Are they coming to visit us? Yes, they are coming to visit us. Am I the oldest in the family? Yes, you are the oldest in the family. Is that a big tree? Yes, that is a big tree. Are we going to the beach? Yes, we are going to the beach. Is this a present for me? Yes, this is a present for you. Are you wearing a red shirt? Yes, I am wearing a red shirt. Am I a good singer? Yes, you are a good singer. Are they bringing their dog? Yes, they are bringing their dog. Is this a delicious cake? Yes, this is a delicious cake. Am I going to meet your parents? Yes, you are going to meet my parents. Are you good at math? Yes, I am good at math. Is this a fun game? Yes, this is a fun game. Are we going on a trip? Yes, we are going on a trip. Am I allowed to stay up late? Yes, you are allowed to stay up late. Is that a scary movie? Yes, that is a scary movie. Are they going on vacation? Yes, they are going on vacation. Is this a big park? Yes, this is a big park. Am I wearing matching socks? Yes, you are wearing matching socks. Are you going to help me? Yes, I am going to help you. Is this a beautiful flower? Yes, this is a beautiful flower. Are we going to the museum? Yes, we are going to the museum. Am I going to see a movie? Yes, you are going to see a movie. Is that a big mountain? Yes, that is a big mountain. Are they bringing snacks? Yes, they are bringing snacks. Is this your favorite toy? Yes, this is my favorite toy. Am I going to learn something new? Yes, you are going to learn something new. Is that a cute puppy? Yes, that is a cute puppy. Are you going to read a book? Yes, I am going to read a book. Is this a fast train? Yes, this is a fast train. Are we going to a party? Yes, we are going to a party. Am I going to have a surprise? Yes, you are going to have a surprise. Is that a big elephant? Yes, that is a big elephant. Are they going to play games? Yes, they are going to play games. Is this a tasty cookie? Yes, this is a tasty cookie. Am I going to make new friends? Yes, you are going to make new friends. Is that a funny joke? Yes, that is a funny joke. Are you going to draw a picture? Yes, I am going to draw a picture. Is this a soft pillow? Yes, this is a soft pillow. Are we going to bake cookies? Yes, we are going to bake cookies. Am I going to ride a bike? Yes, you are going to ride a bike. Is that a shiny star? Yes, that is a shiny star. Are they going to sing a song? Yes, they are going to sing a song. Is this a colorful picture? Yes, this is a colorful picture. Am I going to see animals? Yes, you are going to see animals. Is that a loud noise? Yes, that is a loud noise. Are you going to tell a story? Yes, I am going to tell a story. Is this a cold drink? Yes, this is a cold drink. Am I going to see fireworks? Yes, you are going to see fireworks. Is that a tall building? Yes, that is a tall building. Are they going to swim? Yes, they are going to swim. Is this a hot day? Yes, this is a hot day. Am I going to have ice cream? Yes, you are going to have ice cream. Is that a big ocean? Yes, that is a big ocean. Are you going to take a photo? Yes, I am going to take a photo. Are we going to fly a kite? Yes, we are going to fly a kite. Am I going to play a game? Yes, you are going to play a game. Are they going to jump rope? Yes, they are going to jump rope. Is this a big mountain? Yes, this is a big mountain. Am I going to visit a farm? Yes, you are going to visit a farm. Is that a tasty pizza? Yes, that is a tasty pizza. Are you going to ride a horse? Yes, I am going to ride a horse. Is this a shiny diamond? Yes, this is a shiny diamond.